The 2026 Z Visa Blueprint, your legal work visa for China. You've just accepted your dream job in China. The contract is signed, the adventure is about to begin, and then you hit the wall. The visa process, the forms, the paperwork, the whispers about health checks and red tape. It feels like navigating a maze where the rules change every year. What if I told you that for 2026, the process can be clear, predictable, and completely within your control? Is the difference between a smoother arrival and a bureaucratic nightmare just one correctly filed document? Welcome to the Middle Kingdom Code. I'm Joe, and we specialize in transforming China's complex logistics into simple, step-by-step success. If you're ready to unlock the definitive guide to getting your legal Chinese work visa, subscribe and hit that like button right now. This is the map you've been looking for. Here at the Middle Kingdom Code, our Before You Go series ensures you land in China prepared, not panicked, and the absolute foundation of your journey. Is the Z Visa the only legal gateway to working in China? By the end of this video, you will have a complete chronological checklist for 2026. You'll know exactly what your employer does, what you must do, and the critical pitfalls that derail 30% of applications. Let's begin. The golden rule and the two-step process. First, understand this non-negotiable principle. You cannot get a Z visa by yourself. This is a partnership. Your future employer in China is the sponsor and initiator. The process happens into clear stages. Stage 1, the work permit notification. Your employer's job before you ever see a consulate. Your company in China must apply on your behalf for a foreigner's work permit notification letter. Think of this as China's government giving your employer permission to hire you specifically. What they need from you: your degree, TOEFL certificate if teaching, passport copy, resume, and a criminal background check from your home country, apostilled or notarized. Getting this background check started early is your first critical task. The outcome: if approved, they receive a shiny, official document with a QR code. This is your ticket to the visa application. No notification letter, no Z visa. Stage 2, the Z visa application. Your job with that notification letter in hand. You now apply for the actual Z visa sticker in your passport at a Chinese Visa Application Service Center CVASC in your home country. Your personal checklist, the 4 must-have documents. Alright, let's build your application packet. For your CVASC appointment, you will need these 4 pillars. 1. The core invitation, the original work permit notification letter, your original employment contract or invitation letter from the Chinese company, to the health declaration, the physical examination record for foreigner form. This must be completed by an authorized physician. It includes a chest X-ray and a blood test. Important: some countries require you use a specific Chinese government form. Others accept a standardized medical report. Check your consulate's website. Do this after you have your job offer, as it often expires in 6 months. 3. The foundation documents. Your passport must have at least 12 months remaining and blank pages. The completed visa application form V2013 online, print and sign. 1. Passport photo meeting strict requirements: white background, no glasses, neutral expression, for the proof of history. That criminal background check we mentioned, properly notarized or apostilled. The timeline. C. It's a logical sequence, but timing is where people get crushed. The 2026 realistic timeline. Employer's application. Stage 1, 2-4 weeks. Your prep background check, health exam, 2-6 weeks. Start this the day you accept the offer. Visa processing. Stage 2, 4-7 business days at the CVASC. Total lead time. You need a minimum of 2-3 months between accepting the job and flying to China. Do not book flights until the visa is in your hand. If this timeline just saved you from a costly mistake, do me a huge favor and hit that like button right now. It helps the algorithm show this guide to more people who need it. The number 1 mistake and the final step in China. The biggest error: thinking the Z visa is the finish line. It is not. The Z visa is your 30-day entry ticket. The mandatory final step: within 30 days of arriving in China, you and your employer must convert that Z visa into a residence permit. This involves another medical check in China and a trip to the local Public Security Bureau (PSB). This permit is what allows you to live and work legally for the duration of your contract. 1 year, typically. Remember, Z visa lets you in. A residence permit lets you stay. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 2026 Z visa code, decrypted. You are no longer at the mercy of rumors and fear. You have the blueprint, you understand the partnership with your employer, you have the 4-pillar document checklist, and you respect the timeline. Walk into this process prepared, not in panic. You've got this. If this step-by-step guide has brought clarity to the most important part of your move to China, subscribe to the Middle Kingdom Code. I'm Joe, and this Before You Go series is just starting. Next, we're covering exactly how to convert that Z visa to a residence permit once you land. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes to show YouTube that detailed, actionable guides are what you want. 3. Comment below. What city are you moving to? Or, what's the next Before You Go topic you need us to cover? Your adventure is waiting. Make it legal, make it smooth, and make it unforgettable. Thanks for watching. Keep cracking the code, and I'll see you in the next one.